I'm going to show you how I was able to achieve the fastest and easiest mini twist install all by myself. First things first, I'm doing this installation on clean hair. I washed my hair, deep conditioned, and moisturized my hair the previous day. Once I was done moisturizing, I twisted up each section, and once I was done twisting each section, I also put them into chunky braids, as you can see in the video, and this is just going to help keep my hair stretched. It is also going to help prevent unnecessary tangles and knots which will occur if I was wearing my hair out as a fro. Okay, so this is also going to just help speed up the installation process. And no, you do not have to twist your hair before putting it into chunky braids. You can just go ahead and put your hair into chunky braids without the twist, and that is usually what I do most times. Right now, I'm parting my hair with a rattle tooth comb, and I'm just not going to continue this for the rest of my hair. I'm just doing that for the perimeter of my hair, like the nape area and the front area, or the edges and all of that. I'm just going to part out those places with a white tooth comb. But for the middle of my hair, I am just going to free part with my hands and just get away stray hairs and just go ahead and twist. And honestly, this one is the oga pata pata of you trying to save time. Okay, like whenever I do free parts with my hands, it's usually way faster than trying to bend my hair and try to get clean parts. Okay, like getting clean parts, especially in the middle part of my hair, usually stresses me out. But I'm someone that doesn't wear my hair down most of the time. Like this twist, I am definitely not going to wear it down ever. So it's usually in a bun or ponytail. So it doesn't matter how the middle part of the hair looks. And even if you get to see the middle part of my hair, it is not my business, and it is also not your business. So just face front, okay? Anyways, something I always do with my mini twist or other protective style with just my hair is to always re-moisturize the ends, and also apply more shea butter to the ends, and this is just going to help lock in the moisture, and by doing that I retain moisture for longer. Something else that is a game changer when it comes to installing your protective styles faster and easier is making the middle section or the middle perimeter or the crown of your hair, making the part wider, okay, more than the front or the nape area. Okay, just make those parts wider, not don't make it too big. I just go for something wider. I don't know if I showed you guys a visual of what that section looks like in this video, but this is something that really helps. Okay, just in case you've not seen any of my previous mini twist installation videos that are usually very detailed, let me explain the process of this mini twist installation. So once I am done parting or pre-sectioning the part or the section I want to work with, I go ahead to split into three sections and braid 3 to 5 times. Once I am done braiding, I try to split the hair into two equal sections. Then I start twisting, and there are different twist techniques. There is loose twist, which is not what I'm doing in this video. I have a video where I did loose twist, and loose twist is usually finer than this tight twist. Okay, but I have a video of that just in case you are interested. So once I twist all the way down to the roots of, sorry, the ends of my hair, I apply extra leave-in conditioner and extra shea butter, and that's just it for each twist. Okay, if you've watched this video up to this point, thank you so much for watching. And I actually have something I need your opinion on, and please do not ignore me, please. Okay, so you guys know that the beginning of this year I gave myself a haircut or a trim, which I actually loved the result, and my hair felt healthier and less tangled after that. But then I proceeded to do a blow dry with a hot brush, and I feel like that contributed to me having a bit of split ends. It's not that obvious, it's just that my hair tangles a whole lot more. Like, I know how my hair felt after that trim. So right now, this is like November 2025, so I'm contemplating on giving my hair another haircut, like getting another haircut. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think it's a bad idea? And when I'm talking about haircuts, I am talking about like doing something extreme, like extreme, not just a little trim here and there. I've been trimming my hair. I've trimmed my hair like 2 times already, and it just doesn't feel better. I feel like what is going to help me is just to cut a lot. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Okay, please do not forget to let me know your thoughts. Okay. Anyways, I am trying to split the hair into two sections as I told you guys, and I'll start twisting. And I don't know if you guys can notice, but you can notice that the parts in the front perimeter of my hair, it looks wider, but then the hair section is not that thick. It's just there. Okay. And this what I usually do in my the front perimeter of my hair is that I always try to make the parts wider too, because I notice that when I do smaller parts, because I want the hair to look so fine and all, it just goes ahead to cause a lot of tension, and that makes me lose a lot of hair whenever I'm taking down the twist. So I don't do small sections most times. I just try to just do larger sections in the front, not larger per se, but just something a bit wider. Okay. Anyways, I am done with this mini twist installation. If you're going to call this mini twist, medium twist, whatever it is, I am done, and this is what my hair looks like. And as I said, I never used to wear my twist down, maybe the first day or so, but I don't think I'm going to ever wear this twist down. So I am going to put it into a ponytail or a bun and just um go along my day. Okay, let me know what you guys think about this mini twist, and don't forget to share your opinion about whether I should get a haircut or a trim or not. Okay, let me know in the comment section. And you guys, I also have another request, which is let me know which kind of content you would love me to do more. I actually plan on doing trying to style my hair more often and post that kind of content. I know my content is boring. I don't know, it's boring a bit. I don't really try out new hairstyles and all, but I really want to switch things up a little bit. Just let me know what kind of content you guys would love to see. And I'm already cooking something, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Bye.